Hi, we're going to take a look at how to export a gradebook and what I would recommend for that. This is my profile page again as a teacher, and I would go down to, instead of going up the dashboard, I would go into classroom management because you can do this right on the gradebook. Now I told you this is sort of a static view here. You can see your students are listed in here. You can change grades for those students and things like that. Well, you can't really change grades, but you can do a little bit on this static view. You have to do um, the big dashboard to do a little bit more. But I would not pay any attention to this one, which is export. Let's blow this up a little bit. Export gradebook component grades. Those are only sort of like a cumulative of categories. So not very helpful. This one would be more helpful to you. So let's do that. Exporting all grades. And this will give you, after it downloads, nice little Excel that is grouped by student, is grouped by, let's just look at these. Display name, first name, last name, email, username. This is the grade name. That'll give you the name of what they have submitted. This list only includes anything anyone has submitted, by the way. And then grade type, of course, you can look at these. Some of these are assignments. This is a manual grade that the teacher actually changed. Here's the scores. If you needed to follow up, this is the way to do it. And I think this is a very helpful column here. This is just grade completion date. Very good, very helpful there. So that's about it. And then you can save that and upload it to your school's. If you use Google Classroom or something, it should be fairly easy for you to upload into that system.